We're not risk takers when it comes to the money we've saved, and you see people who are still have kept their 401ks, and they're losing money with the market the way it is, and you don't want to take that chance on losing it.
Last year, Tom and Kathy Izzo were faced with retiring during a downturn in the market.
Shortly after I retired, I think the Dow had gone up as high as 14,000, and I mean, I just knew that couldn't continue that way, and of course it wasn't long after that it started on its downward spiral.
To hedge against a bear market, the Izzos turned their 401k into an annuity that guarantees their principal remains intact.
I have an annuity that's called a fixed indexed annuity. Basically, you put a lump sum of money into this annuity, and you pick an option of some investment option. I chose the S&P 500, but I guess it really wouldn't have made much difference in the past year what investment option I chose. I probably wouldn't have gained any money, but the good thing is I didn't lose any money either.
Dan White is a certified financial planner and retirement specialist in Glen Hills, Pennsylvania.
What this type of contract does is it allows people to tie their interest rate to one or more of the major stock market indexes. All of these products have certain caps and limitations as to the upside potential that one can sustain throughout the life of the contract. They also offer fixed accounts inside the same contract in the event of a bear market. Okay, so one can switch back and forth between the fixed account and an index type of an account as market situations change.
The Izzos also decided to delay Kathy's retirement by a year in order to hang on to company benefits.
The delay helped me with our medical coverage, that I didn't want to switch our medical coverage midway through my treatment, and I could collect a benefit from work that I had earned, which was my sick leave.
The Izzos also chose to downsize their home, a move that can help cut down on spending, especially for empty nesters.
Eventually, I think we will save money in the long run because there's less upkeep. Plus, it's a new home, and it's Energy Star efficient, and our energy bills should be less than they were in the other house. And we don't have as much property upkeep and house upkeep.
For retirees who are confronted by a bear market, White recommends focusing on the near future.
A lot of people say to me today they hope the market comes back. You know, they'll say it always does, and I agree with them. The problem is it going to come back in time to benefit them?
At the end of the day, the Izzos say they know they've been safe investors.
I mean, I know we could have done a lot better had we put more money into investments. I'm sure we could have done better, but we're certainly comfortable, and we really can't complain.
For foxbusiness.com, I'm Catherine